Hi, it is me, Citrus Maloney, as Sheri said, and as you know, I am a Gen Z, and I'm like super cool, and I know everything, and so I do all of Sheri's social media, you know, all the stuff behind the scenes. So you know my outfit is like super cool, as always, but I got something totally vintage that is so cool. Look at this. Look at this. It is a candy swatch. It's not real candy. You like can't, you know, eat it or anything. But like it is based on the 1980s type of swatch that Sheri like so wanted when she was a kid, but she could never have. So you know what? Now she has it and she's letting me wear it. So that's really cool. Anyway, so today's troll time comes from Charlotte. And this is a good one, you guys. So Charlotte says, not to be mean, but your projects are too easy for everyone. Maybe try something harder to improve your skills, and you might make something that actually looks good. Wow, Charlotte. I guess I will preface my response by stating what you said in your comment. Not to be mean. What a dumb thing to ever say. If you are starting something by saying not to be mean, it means you're going to be super mean. Like, that's just how it is. And again, these are people who definitely are not children. They are 100% old enough to know better than to do this. Like, again, what is going on in your life that you feel the need to go and be a total to some stranger online who's just putting out positivity and fun? But you know what? Let's address the comment. Okay, so Sheri's skills have improved like a bunga billion, million, trillion % since she first started. Also, she's self-taught, and she started when she was like 38 years old, you know, when she inherited a machine, very old vintage sewing machine when she was living in Berlin, Germany, and taught herself to use it, and then just started, you know, teaching other people because she's a teacher. That's what she does. But, you know, so the fact that her very first blog post, like way back in like 2011, 2012, was actually showing how she made a pair of little trousers for her dog, Jack, who had just been snipped. And yeah, she made him these little trousers, like out of a pair of old baby pants or something, I think, so he wouldn't, you know, harm his stitches down there. And yeah, so that was like her very first post. So I would say her skills have improved greatly since making a pair of doggy bandage pants. Also, I think it was like 2013 or 2014 when she started her channel, and her very first post on her channel was simply showing how to make some cute little clothespin sweethearts, you know. So yeah, I would say her skills have greatly improved, and she is always trying new things, teaching herself new things, learning new things, and then sharing that for free with anybody who wants to watch her videos or visit her blog or get her ebooks or her courses or anything like that. So I would say she's actually a pretty good example for what can be done when you put your mind to something and you have a passion for something and you really want to learn. You can do it yourself. You really can. She is the proof of that. And please, anybody watching, never let anybody start a sentence, not to be mean, but stop them right away and say, okay, what you're going to say is totally going to be mean. So we can just stop that right now and then just walk away. I mean, you know, Sheri wishes she could walk away from these comments, but she can't. So instead, that's why we're all here, her staff, you know, Frau Inga and Guy and me, Citrus, and who else is there? Oh, there's Candy. I don't think she's ever done one though. And Chantal is the newest one, right? Yeah, so Chantal too. We're all here to help her deal with these kind of comments, and I think that's a really nice little perk that that we have for for working with her. We get to help her out. And yeah, if you guys ever see a comment that maybe isn't so nice, why not respond to it? You know, don't let Sheri do all this on her own. You guys can help out too. And, and I guess that's about all I have to say is, you know what? Don't let people be mean to you. Don't let people put you down. And again, this Charlotte person clearly hasn't been following Sheri for very long because her skills are improving all the time. And even something as small as trying different fabrics, you know, when you're making stuff, that's a new skill to learn because there is a massive difference between making something with cardboard or making something with a wool blanket. There is a massive difference, but whatever. I'm going on and on and on, and I have to go do some social media work. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and we will catch you on the zigzag. Seriously, how cool is this watch? Did anybody else really want one of these in the 80s like Sheri did? Let her know. Let her know down below.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.